Hello everyone, welcome back to Roots in Fertility. I'm Carley Schroeder and today we're diving into this beautiful technique known as non-sleep deep rest or NSDR. And this technique combines relaxation and mindfulness to rejuvenate your body and your mind without falling asleep. So whether you're feeling this fatigue or stressed, or you just need like a little pick-me-up, then this is going to be a really good technique that you can use anywhere in just a couple of minutes to help you feel revitalized and centered. So let's get started. NSDR offers a range of benefits, including increased focus, reduced stress, enhanced creativity, and improved emotional resilience. By engaging in this practice, you can tap into a state of deep relaxation that revitalizes you, and it allows you to approach your day with a sense of renewed energy and calm. So let's prepare for NSDR and do this together. We're going to start just by finding a comfortable seat and tapping in with the breath. So you can do this in a chair, you can do this lying down. I'm going to give you a couple minutes just to get set up and make yourself comfortable where you can allow your body to feel at rest, where you can relax without distractions. If you want to put me in on headphones so you can kind of tune out the external world, go ahead and do so. And when you're ready, you're just going to start to tune in with your breath, breathing in through your nose, feeling that expansion of your rib cage with the breath, and then exhale through the mouth. Feel that contraction. Taking a couple more breaths to bring you here in this present moment. And I'm going to remind you that if your mind starts to wander into a to-do list or something after this, just imagine picking it up, writing it on a paper, and setting it aside until after we're done here. Return to the breath, and then come back to listening to my voice. I'm going to guide you through the relaxation technique that's going to help you enter the state of deep rest. So you're just going to focus on the breath, let the thoughts go, and come back to my voice if you tend to drift. And it's like a muscle. The more you do this, the more you train this, the easier it is for you to stay in this state of deep relaxation. So starting with our breath, we start to check in with our body, noticing the surface that you're on. Notice how it supports your body weight. Notice any areas where you're holding tension. Just notice it at first. Feel the air coming in through your nose, in your nasal passages. So bring your attention to your nostrils. Feel the air go into your nose. Feel it expand through the lungs. Expand the diaphragm, the belly rises, and then feel it exhale through your mouth. Notice the difference in temperature, the warmth. Now let's bring our attention to the muscles in our face. Allow the muscles under your eyes to relax. Allow the muscles on top of your eyes to relax. Allow your cheeks to relax. Allow your jaw to release. Bringing your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Now bringing your awareness to your chest and your neck. Noticing the areas in your body where you naturally hold tension and stress. With the exhale, sink deeper into relaxation. Allow these muscles to relax, telling yourself to release. I release this tension, I release this strain, I release this tightness from my body. Using your exhale to deepen in. Now bringing your attention to the sensation down your arms and into your fingertips. Feeling that sensation move through your upper body. Next, bringing your awareness to your torso, feeling the belly rise and fall. Allow your attention to move to your back, your spinal column, imagining these vertebrae in full relaxation, allowing this universe to hold and support you, allowing yourself to trust that you are fully held and cared for. Next, bringing your attention to your hips, your glutes, your quads, your hamstrings, the front of the legs, the back of the legs, this whole pelvic girdle. Take a deep breath in through your nose. With the exhale, release these muscles. Imagine a sandbag being placed on your hips. And when that happens, you're fully accepting the invitation to relax. Like chocolate melting in the sun, you're melting down into the ground. Your body is fully supported by the surfaces around you. You just trust, you allow it, you accept it. Now moving your attention to your knees and your calves. Allowing yourself to melt down into the ground, feeling fully supported. Bringing your awareness into your toes, your feet. Feeling the sensation, the circulation, moving into every one of your toes. Now with the body fully relaxed, take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Now, I want you to imagine a scene that is fully tranquil, supporting you to be in a place of deep rest. Maybe it's by a waterfall, maybe it's on a beach, maybe it's in a forest or a cave. Whatever that is to you, maybe it's your bedroom, your cozy bed. Allow yourself to tune in to the feelings, your senses, the smells, the sounds, anything, any one of your senses that brings your scene to the front of your mind, that creates a more vivid picture, a more vivid feeling. Allow yourself to soak in complete rest and restoration, breathing in energy, breathing in calm, breathing in peace, breathing in abundance, whether it's time or money or children, whatever your abundance looks like, or health. Breathe more of that into your body in this relaxed state and allow yourself to feel the emotion that you would feel with that wish being fulfilled. Is it joy? Is it contentment? What is the feeling? Allow yourself to feel it. Now staying here for 2 more breaths. Bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the air being warmed by your nasal passages. Feel the warmth of that exhale. Bring a little awareness to your body by wiggling your fingers and your toes. And blinking your eyes open when you're ready. Take a brief moment here just to notice how you feel. What difference do you feel in your body, with your mind, with your energy? And know that the more you practice NSDR, non-sleep deep relaxation, the more you'll be able to drop into the space more effectively, pulling in the images, pulling in the senses, pulling in the emotions, pulling in the feeling, to create this feeling and make it part of your normal. Make it part of your everyday practice. So I'm so grateful for you showing up today. I would love to hear about your experience practicing this. Leave a comment below on what and how you felt after you did this practice. And don't forget, hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done so already. You'll see a whole library of health tips to help you rejuvenate, create more energy, calm your nervous system, and come back to your better health and your ultimate vibrant self for better fertility and better health. Enjoy the rest of your day. Aloha.